Televidente kontabay. Amita Merietza Haakmat anto awareki mita na Serena's Art Factory. Di kong pasono sa baiting otro simang grand reveal. Misako po sa mire esaki pasa aki aya na Korsou. Pero no sabay ko masako Serena pero tame kong kolaborador di Jade patende kiko ta e detalles di e proyecto anto e dia di e grand reveal di e Chichi Extra Large special pa e pueblo di Korsou. Laganos to pa ku Serena.
Now it started with no money in the pot, COVID, no people buying chichis anymore. How do we finance? That's basics. That was a COVID period. We were all stuck thinking what we do. And in arts, I think that's what you do. Create ideas. So we got the team together. One of the colleagues came with an idea when we sell square centimeters of the big one we had standing in a yacht. At that time, she was white. And then it was like, yeah, but 55,000 guilders, we don't find a client to buy that now. Or maybe another hotel, another time they would have bought it. So we said imagine you would be able to buy just a little piece or a bigger piece. But you wouldn't just buy a square centimeter or 10 square centimeters. So we said, if we make illustrations, and we're selling illustrations of Korsou in different sizes for different budget, we would get people to pay €5, 50 guilders, €100, or bigger amounts, and just try. Let's make it a possibility. Have a sponsor board on the side, tell the names of the sponsors, and tell the story. And I just said, okay, let's jump into that. I think it's an ondernemer thing. You have to just take the risk. A crowdfunding can also be going negative. You cannot have fundraisers. It's not working. We were successfully closing it in June with 70% crowdfunding finance. So that's just awesome. That successfully closed up. And it worked. So we took Chichi all over the island, brought her really into the activity areas, not only hotels. We really went to the attractions of Korsou. I'm an active member of Chata. Of course, I'm known with CTB. So we just put all the partners in crime together and said, come on, guys, we come there, we go there, we go there. So every 3 to 4 weeks, we put her on a trailer, put a trailer behind my car, you saw it, and then we were just driving to the next location and put her down again. And most of the time, we even put her down with tourists. It's just like, you guys give us a hand, put her down, and they were like, yeah, oh, we do this. So it was amazing.
Para mim, Chichi representa o mamueng mais grande de família. Antes nandata chamar uma mãe mais grande Chichi, nandado né é nome de carinho Chichi, anto para mim é Chichi tá echt é persona que tá donando carinho e amor. Então se botar Chichi dentro casa, bota hinca é energia de amor e carinho dentro casa, então sempre botar esse dentro casa, para mim também é representa gente que não tem vergonha de mostrar suas com eta, não tem vergonha de show off seus curves, não, que tá echt proud de que eta de Korsou, então tem seus curves, não, eta proud de mostrar tu rende com eta, sua manta abrir, clapa de uma abraça com sunchi, então echt gente jolly, gezellig, então esse também é beeld de Chichi, tá. Representa para mim.
So let's start that. So in case you're in Korsou on Sunday, we take Chichi in the barrios. Because, Chichi is always on the tourist spots. People think like it's always on the hot spots of tourism. And it's true, because we want to attract the tourists to buy the Chichis, of course. So the painters get the finance and everything is rolling. But when we drove the Chichi from A to B, we also ended up in side roads. And then I was with a trailer and I had to go backwards, and we were like, and all of a sudden I realized the people are coming out of the houses. They were so surprised Chichi was in the barrios. And I was like, you know what, we're going to do this more often. And so every time we drove her to the next location, we just went on side street. And then the idea was born. Sunday, we're going to go in the side streets, in the barrios. We're going to drive from 10 o'clock on. We start here, so I put her on the trailer at Serena's Art Factory. We go Montagna, we go Brivegat, we go up to Santa Maria. Soax, is that? Yeah, we pass the airport. We're going to go Santa Maria. We're going to San Miguel. San Michel. And then Water Factory, Otra Banda. We're going to go side streets of the area of Peter May, going up, and then we finish sunset time Caracas Bay. And then 18th, that is next week, Thursday, is the official opening. So she gets a curtain. She's going to look like a bride. Wow. Then we turn the curtain. We're going to let her see for public. And then we have, of course, 24/7. She's going to stand in Willemstad. We have vergunning for 4 locations, so the next 3 years she can move. And I don't want to reveal all the cool spots.
Si Chichi, pora papia, anto llega se kaboso aqui, lá nos visa na Serena's Art Factory, kung elo drenta e lugar aqui.
Mi te quer Chichi lo llega com basta bochincha zi. Chichi lo visa, tá mi você trasina, mi te imaginami ku asina elo drenta.
Pues televidentes, esta informação com Serena e Jay também tem para compartilhar com para o que trata é extra large Chichi com outro simang luting su desvelo den a punda. Pero no lubida, que já domingo também, Chichi lo ta rond Korsou. Yabo atende tour e diferente barrio nang ku Chichi lo visita pa boso também po mirando experiencia esa aqui prometo llega a sua destinação final den Punda. Antami da Merietza Haakmat, diretamente for the Serena's Art Factory pariba aqui na Korsou. Pero corda, botame po assim visita aqui nang pa po mira, anto experiencia e diferente Chichi nang Chichi ku clips, Chichi grande, Chichi chiquito, anto saca o portrait. Passou Chichi, maneira boa atende, tá netamente de nós. Chichi tá Korsou. Até depois.